Have you ever been working on a complex design in Adobe Illustrator, only to hit that dreaded Save button and be met with the mysterious and incredibly frustrating unknown error message? If that has happened to you, do not panic because you are definitely not alone. This specific error is basically Illustrator telling you that the communication tunnel between the software and your computer's storage space has encountered a speed bump or a complete block. It is often triggered by background saving conflicts or pesky sync issues with cloud-based storage. In today's video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to handle this, how to save your current work, and how to fix this issue permanently. Before we dive into the solutions, if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more professional design workflow tips. Let us start with the emergency steps if you are stuck right now and absolutely cannot lose your progress. The first thing to try is toggling your PDF compatibility. When you go to hit Save, look for the option that says Create PDF Compatible File and make sure that is unchecked. By turning this off, you are simplifying the data stream, which often allows the file to bypass the error entirely. If that does not work, try the PDF bridge method. Instead of saving as a standard .ai file, choose to save your project as an Adobe PDF. If the save succeeds, close your Illustrator application completely, open that PDF file you just saved, and then attempt to save it back as an .ai file. This often resets the internal file structure. Finally, if you are still hitting a wall, try the Copy to New trick. Open a brand new document within Illustrator, then go back to your original file, select all your artwork, and copy and paste it into the new blank canvas. This is usually the nuclear option that strips away any corrupted file metadata that might be causing the block. Now that you have saved your work, let us talk about the permanent fix to make sure you never see this error again. The culprit is almost always the background saving feature in modern versions of Illustrator. To disable this, go to your Preferences menu by pressing Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. Once that window is open, navigate to the File Handling and Clipboard section. Here, you need to uncheck the box for Save in the background. Additionally, I highly recommend that you also uncheck the box for Optimize File Open and Save Time on slow networks, as this can sometimes cause the same communication breakdowns. Once you have unchecked those two options, restart your Adobe Illustrator application. You'll find that the software is much more stable, and those mysterious saving errors should be a thing of the past. It is a simple adjustment that saves a massive amount of stress during tight design deadlines. If this guide helped you recover your work and fix your workflow today, make sure to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!